Gold and silver prices are surging once again, hitting fresh record highs in early U.S. trading as investors rush into safe haven assets. A weaker U.S. dollar and rising geopolitical tensions are driving strong demand for precious metals during this holiday-shortened trading week. Welcome to the Ways of the Wealthy, where we help demystify the habits of the ultra-rich. February gold futures jumped nearly $50, last trading around $4,518 an ounce, after reaching a new all-time high of $4,530.80 overnight. March silver futures also pushed into record territory, climbing above $70 an ounce, with prices last near $69.70. This marks gold's 50th record-breaking session of the year. So far in 2025, gold is up roughly 70%, putting it on track for its strongest annual performance since 1979. Silver has delivered even stronger gains, rising more than 130% year-to-date. Safe haven buying is being fueled by escalating geopolitical risks, particularly growing tensions between the United States and Venezuela. President Donald Trump warned Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro not to challenge the United States, while vowing to retain oil seized from a supertanker. Although Trump declined to say whether he intends to remove Maduro from power, the U.S. has stepped up its enforcement actions against Venezuelan oil shipments. According to Bloomberg, Washington has intensified its blockade of tankers traveling to and from Venezuela, boarding non-sanctioned ships and pursuing other vessels off the country's coast. Since mid-December, roughly 14 tankers have loaded oil offshore, with at least 6 under U.S. sanctions. Based on data from maritime intelligence firm, most of the activity has been concentrated near the ports of Bajo Grande and Puerto Jose. Geopolitical tensions remain elevated in Eastern Europe as well. Russian forces launched a major missile and drone assault across Ukraine, striking civilian areas and energy infrastructure, while diplomatic efforts continue. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said the attack involved more than 650 drones and over 30 missiles, calling the timing of the strikes a clear signal of Russia's priorities during ongoing negotiations. On the diplomatic front, President Trump said peace talks are progressing, telling reporters in Florida that discussions aimed at ending the war are going along, even as pressure mounts on Kyiv to move toward a settlement. In the broader markets, the U.S. dollar index is lower, providing additional support for precious metals. Crude oil prices are relatively steady near $58 per barrel, while the yield on the benchmark 10-year U.S. Treasury sits around 4.15%. From a technical perspective, February gold futures remain firmly bullish. Upside resistance is seen near $4,600, while key support sits at $4,300. Immediate resistance is located at $4,530, followed by $4,550. Gold holds a Wyckoff market rating of 9.5, signaling strong upside momentum. March silver futures also remain technically strong. Bulls are targeting a move above $75, while downside support is near $65. First resistance stands at $70.15, with support around $68.95. Silver also carries a Wyckoff market rating of 9.5. With geopolitical uncertainty rising, a softer U.S. dollar, and strong technical momentum, gold and silver continue to attract heavy safe haven demand. As tensions remain elevated and markets search for stability, precious metals are closing out the year firmly in the spotlight. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check other videos on our channel, and I'll catch you in the next one.